The boat we're going to take a video tour of today. It's a 2010 54-foot Sea Ray Sundancer located in Wilmington, North Carolina. I'll just give you a walkthrough of the cabin. You can see we've got wood flooring, and the VIP guest stateroom is forward. See, we've got Bose speakers, flat screen TV. There's a private access into the guest head, which has tile flooring and a separate stall shower. Hanging locker up on the port side here, additional Bose speakers. And we step out back into the salon. You can see we've got the full galley. Got a lot of storage up top. And below, the refrigerator and freezer are under counter. Of course, cooktop. So again, 2010, but the boat shows well. I think when you see it in person, you will not be disappointed. Flat screen TV in the salon. Of course, we've got the Bose surround sound here as well. And stepping back into the midship master, which is a great feature on the 54 Sundancer. Again, flat screen, Bose speakers. And it's the walk-around island style queen bed with an inner spring mattress. And behind this door right here, we've got the combo washer dryer. And the master head also has tile flooring, lots of storage. The heads, of course, are vacuum flush, and again, another large stall shower here. Alright, from here we'll head up to the cockpit area. So we've got teak steps. The upper area of the cockpit here has the optional teak. We've got the twin helm seats, which those pivot. So we've got two Raymarine hybrid touches that were new in 2015. You can see there's actually two backup cameras on the boat. Right now that camera is focused on the swim platform. And we've got the vessel views up top. I don't know if you can see it, but the engines have 1,018.6 hours. The port shows less because the computer was just changed on it. I'm hoping you can see forward that we've got a bimini top, sun pad, and then those sun pads have backrests too that you can flip up. Got the port side companion seat here. So yes, I am Mike, and if you have questions on this boat, I would love to help you. We've got the cockpit TV. There's a grill underneath that hatch. We've got a refrigerator and ice maker below those two doors, or behind those two doors. Again, lots and lots of seating in this boat. The large L-shaped seat. That high gloss table is normally covered. I took the cover off for the purposes of the video. This enclosure is a custom enclosure. It was made locally here in North Carolina. It really makes the cockpit a year-round area because we've got two heating and air conditioning units for the cockpit. Or if it's, you know, the temps allow, you can see you've got U-zips where you can open it up. It is a permanent fixture, so it's not something you take up and down. And back here we've got a sun pad. The Sea-Doo is not included, although the boat owner would consider an offer to include the Sea-Doo as well. Our engine access is right here. We've got several pictures that were taken today, which is November 6th, 2019. I did forget to mention we do have obviously pods, Cummins pods with the joysticks, joystick control, Autopilot, Skyhook. So again, 2010 Sea Ray 54 Sundancer, the most aggressively priced boat on the market today at $475. If you're looking for a boat like this, you cannot go wrong with Forever Young. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.